Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to save your Instagram stories with music on your Android device or in your iPhones. Okay, same method you can try in both devices. So I am using Android phone. So first you need to open the Instagram and go to your stories, and just you need to post your video or your photo for your story. For example, I am selecting one video, and now if you want to add the music, you can add it from here. After this, just click on done, and now you don't need to post it on your stories. First you need to save it on your phone. Just here in the top right side corner you can get three dots option. Just tap on it. From here you can get the option save. As you can see, just tap on it. Okay, but the story will save without music. Now after this guys, open the Instagram app once again and swipe left on your screen, and it will open the chat section on your phone, and open any chat of your friend like this. And here you can get the camera icon in the bottom left side corner of your screen. Just tap on it. From here you need to select that video which you have recently downloaded of your story. Just select that video. Now you need to add the music once again like this, and now here you can get allow reply option. Just tap on it. After this guys, just you need to send the video to your friend. As you can see guys, the video was sending. Please wait for a few seconds. Now after the video was sent, you can easily able to download that video of your story with music. So as you can see guys, the video was sent successfully. Just tap and hold on that video, and here go to more option, and here you can get the option to save. Just tap on save. It will save the video with music. Now if you want to unsend this video to your friend, just tap and hold once again on that video and just tap on unsend button. That's it. So this is the very easy and very simple method to save your Instagram stories with music on your Android and iPhone. Okay, so that's it for today guys. The short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.